Social media is a platform where individuals can express themselves and their viewpoints for millions to see. Unfortunately, there are people on these sites that have no consideration about how their words or posts can affect other individuals of different genders or demographics. Hence, our research finds it imperative that we discover efficient and effective ways of detecting hate speech by exploring different statistical learning techniques which allow us to draw insights from the data. We will be using computations to help extract information from our social media data that will help our models to detect hate speech. The first step is transforming our social media data into a form that will be understood by our models. This process is known as word embedding, which turns textual data into a matrix where the columns are the words in the data and the rows are the numeric representation. After this process, we will proceed to build our model, which will group various posts, comments, or tweets as either hateful or not. We'll also be interested in fine-tuning the groups such that we can identify whether a post is racist or sexist, and if the sexism is mild or overt. The models we are going to build can either be built from data that has already been categorized as hateful or not, which is known as supervised data, or data that has not been grouped, known as unsupervised data. The models are built by training them on a subset of the data to assign the text into the associated groups, then tested on the remainder of the data to see if the model was able to correctly identify the group in which the text is. In conclusion, the detection of hate speech can help social media and government platforms. In social media, finding solutions to detect hate speech allows us to filter any content that incites hatred, thus boosting trust among users of these platforms. The government impact is that detection of hate speech can mitigate antisocial behavior as well as decrease real-life hate crimes, as studies show that hate crime is linked to hate speech. Detecting hate speech also assists the law that prohibits people from targeting minority groups, which in turn may incite violence or social disorder. We would like to dedicate this research to victims of cyberbullying and those that have been personally harassed on social media. Your voice is important too.